Hi preschool families. So today I wanted to talk to you about the letters of the week that we included in your child's materials bag. We included 2 copies of each letter, and we're hoping that one letter can be for your child to draw on. They can trace the letter. If they're not ready to trace yet, like maybe they're still they're scribbling on the paper, they can do that. That's completely fine. You could also use dot art to make letters. You could use, I think this was in the last materials bag, I gave everyone 2 or 3 of these paint sticks, so they can use that to trace or color all over. In the first materials bag, I gave everyone a small envelope of stickers, so they can cover the letter with stickers. You could also, for those that are tracing and are working on their letters, they can do rainbow letters. Okay, so they can use every marker in the box to make these. And then with the second copy of the letter, you can use this pocket. Okay, and your child can trace the letter using a dry erase marker. And they can erase it, and they can draw it again, and they can erase it. So that's fun. They can also use Play-Doh to make Play-Doh worms and trace the letter using Play-Doh. Okay. You can use other toys too, like Legos. I have some Duplos here, and they're fun. So yeah, so that's a couple of ideas for you and how to use these letters. If you have any questions, let me know. And also, if you have any other ideas, I would love to hear them and see what you've done with the letters. If you could post it to Seesaw, that would be great. All right, thanks. Bye.